Some nice finds that we just made. Old man found a skill saw, drills, a bunch of different power tools.
Good haul.
Good haul. Door for my house, metal door, ladder, water container. The guy only had water in it. Drill bit holder. This will work good for tools. An old water pump, but it's a brass pump. That is awesome. A fire pit there, and yeah. That will all have to go up this weekend. And a few other things, but that's the main stuff. Oh, it's pouring rain. I'm gonna load up my truck. Yeah, got 10 pieces of tin there, a bunch of other stuff. Barbecue pit. This pile of junk here, ladder, a few other things. It's gonna be raining all tonight and all tomorrow, but I want to bring this junk to my house. I do. I'm been outside for a few seconds and just going to get completely soaked. You should see Proxy. She is just drenched, but she's inside now because I gotta leave this gate open and see how much of that shit I can fit on my truck. Oh, and I found this moving dolly on the way home after work. Some heavy-duty swivel wheels on it. Don't know if I'll use them for anything, but I'm planning to build like a brush cutter, so they might work for that. A little bit small, but we'll see. Okay, so my truck's loaded up. Proxy's outside in the rain, scratching at the door. I just gotta load up some of her food. And she is being picky eating. Even after, you guys could go to my dad's channel, I made her homemade dog food. And it was good for the first few days. And now she's at the point that she doesn't care for it. Yeah, you with a sandy nose. Yeah, you were digging again, eating muck. Now she's going to try jumping over me. She's being a brat. She's going out to my house in a box. You got muddy feet. Pause. Sorry, not feet. I know you. Oh, Proxy, that got me right in the nuggets. You're lucky I'm wearing my dirty shirt. You know, she's not this bad, but when I have my camera in my hand, she gets really bad. At least she doesn't bite hard. Okay. I gotta kick you in the coop. Hey, down. Hey, not in the sawdust. Stay out of the sawdust. I don't need a wet dog full of sawdust. Hey. Ah. Look at all the sawdust and dirt you got on the truck side. Oh, you're a brat. Look at all the sawdust you got on you. Yeah, eat that stuff. Looks good. Yeah. Really? Now I gotta put you in your place. My balls. Okay, I'm kicking you outside, okay? You go dig unsupervised for 2 minutes while I make my video. No? Okay, or you don't. Well, I was going to say some stuff, but I got a dog in my shoes. So, get back to you guys probably once I get out to my house. Fun. Well, just getting ready to go. It's about 8 o'clock. Got some onions here to plant. Now, I got to keep these away from Proxy. Onions are poisonous to dogs, and Proxy kind of likes them. I have to pluck those guys wherever they went. Right there out of the ground. Dogs will recover. It's not really deadly, you could say, but it's enough that they can ruin her appetite, which could be what's happening. But to be honest, I don't see any other ones in the yard. That was a while ago. But been about an hour. She won't touch that. Rain finally stopped. A little bit wet out here. She was just digging, as you guys can tell. Yeah, at least she's being quiet so I can make my video. Got to get some stuff for review to go out. This company right here. I feel bad because there you guys go. You can check them out. I had this stuff for over a month and I haven't been able to make a proper video because there's either fire bans or it's you know, I just haven't had time. So I got her collar here. Very heavy duty collar, but she doesn't really like it. She kind of scratches at it, but I mean, she has to get used to it. See all her hair sticking on it here from wearing it. Looks pretty on her. Yeah, well, you guys kind of get the point. But the reason why I got a lot of this is I went and paid some money and got this brand new harness. It lasted 20 minutes. She chewed it apart. Well, did lightning hit that pole or what happened, eh? Oh, it's on fire. Do you guys see that? Oh, that is friggin' awesome. Well, that was pretty exciting, the fire on that pole. I don't know if it was a lightning strike or what it was, but we're meant to get about 20 millimeters of rain tonight, and tomorrow about anywhere from 30 to 40. So hopefully that takes us out of the danger zone at my house for fires. Right now it's a type 2, I guess, borderline type 3 fire ban, which means no back road travel at all, no trails, not even walking. They don't even want you cutting your grass. No motorized, no weed whackers, nothing in your yard even, they say. But after this rain, hopefully they open up the trails, because, you know, I'm kind of itching to go for a quad ride, even though it's... Well, just got to my house and prig is it pouring. I guess I never showed any videos of loading that up, but there's about 10 sheets of tin in there and a bunch of other crap. But yeah, it's pouring rain pretty good. Proxy squealing. I just gotta grab her kibble and a few other things. Well, homemade kibble. Oh no, barn swallows. Is there a nest up there yet? I don't see it, but I just seen one fly by. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, look at the water here already. Doesn't even show off on camera. What, you miss your goat friends, Proxy? Not me. Of course I miss them. I'm lying. Oh, you're all wet. Why are you so wet? Yeah. Were you just playing outside in the rain? Yeah. Yeah, I know. Your friend will be here tomorrow, both of them. Not all of them, but 2 of them. Why, you all smiley over there, Proxy? What was that smile about? You just smiled. Oh. Oh. Is it because of that? Did you just kill that rope, Proxy? Or is it that pig ear that you just nibbled on and didn't want to touch? Well, Proxy, Proxy, Proxy. This is Angel's toy. You had it for, what, 10 minutes and you ate it? She's going to kick you in the Koopa tomorrow. Or bite you in it. One of the 2. Well, it's been raining now overnight. Kind of nice seeing there was a type 2 fire ban, but everything is starting to spring up. Leaves on the trees, pretty nice. Even my grass is starting to come in. I'll have to reseed all this. The reason why I'm doing it is make it a little bit stiffer for the septic truck, which I'll need to get to suck out the septic so I can let that thing be thaw. But yeah. It's Friday, it's 2 o'clock now, and I'm getting wet, so I'm going inside. Right, Proxy, you two? You two ready for bed? Yeah.
They're sleepy puppies.
Looks like you're carrying a little bit extra weight there, Angel, hey? Your stomach should end right here. What's all this? What's all this, Angel?
It's babies.
Angel, what did you get yourself into when you ran off in the backfield? You're too young. You're just over a year old.
She's like, I don't care. I got babies still.
What? Does it stink that bad when I open those legs? Poor Proxy. Poor Proxy. Aw, poor Proxy. And Angel.
We're sleepy puppies.
Proxy, what's up? Angel, what's up? You sure you guys should be playing this hard? Angel, you're ready to pop and you're playing like a puppy? Oh, she is a puppy, I guess. Okay, Proxy, she's had enough. Proxy, she had enough.
Come here.
Well, it's a nice Saturday morning. Holy Proxy, you've been busy and enough turds in there. My thing for seeing the wind speed, the rain, and everything that blew off in the wind. But everything's drying up nicely. And just deciding here what we're going to do today. Working on the shed and a few other things, but trees are growing nicely. I'm going to do some work on the Duke Boogie one day, but such a beautiful day now. Nice and warm, a little windy, but I mean, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Now, who's the crybaby this time? Hey, Angel? She was just standing right up on the deck there, about to jump. Got some people walking down the back road. That's getting her attention. She's like, I'll find a way out. Don't worry. Well, now that it's not windy, and it rained last night pretty good, just getting ready to slap this shed. Start slapping it together anyway. Angel.
Floor.
I swear, if you lay your eggs in that corner, I'll be upset at you, Poodle. You don't lay eggs in the corner, okay? I know you love the Sears, but just please don't. No eggs in the corner, okay? That's going to be one hell of a garden box. Ow. See? This is what you chew. Right here. Yes. The only tennis ball, for some reason, she hasn't chewed into a million pieces. I don't understand. Every other one she chews into a million pieces. Oh, right into my nuggets. You gotta quit doing that. Talk about that. There's an old ball right there. Roxy. Oh. Okay, this time that was a foot to the ball. Or a foot to the balls. Nice. Oh, that was a bad throw. Really? You gonna chew on my foot? Ow! Ow! Roxy! Hey! Just taking Peroxide out for a walk. She just had a bath less than half an hour ago and she's already pretty dry. Yeah, she did good in the tub. Bring her for a walk down by the river here. Beautiful day. Plus 30 outside. Which is like, what, 82 Fahrenheit? Something along that lines. And the river is friggin' awesome. No, Proxy, you just had a bath. You can't go in there. She's like, yeah, but I want to. No, you can't. Yeah, everything's starting to grow out here and it's nice. Very nice looking. Roxy wanted. Too bad she has that ugly collar on her. That'd make a nice picture in the background. Surprised she's not trying to roll in the mud or anything. Yeah, she's doing good. I should have made sure her harness was still clipped on her good. Hey, why are you pulling so hard? Well, this is another thing that I found on free giveaway last weekend. You guys can see has some writing on it there. I don't know if that was writing or what that was there, but missing one screw. Well, it's not missing, but it's broken off. Spins over perfectly fine. I looked through here with a flashlight. All the blades seem to be good. Made out of brass or bronze. I'm kind of guessing bronze by the dark color of it, but I'm not too sure. You can see there's an oiler on that side, which looks like it might have been dented at one time. I'm guessing someone timed a pump because that oiler's sideways and probably used to be up. So, because they wanted this going that way instead of straight up in there. Not too big of a deal, but it could work, I guess. Depends on how you want it to go, but yeah, I'm just wondering if that would do any oiling damage over long periods of time. But basically, I'm keeping this guy and tossing out the electric motor. Oh, what, Proxy? Not my friend anymore? That garbage can is right full of dog hair. Right full. Hey, come on. You still got a little scruff where the harness was, but hard to tell. But I don't know, Proxy. I don't know. I think you're being a brat. You don't want to be brushed right now.
Well, who did her? We got the
I know you hate it. You hate it. I know. I know. I got to trap you in a corner, brush you, and then you give me big marks on my arm by chewing it up. be bruised in the morning. But guess what, Proxy? You gotta. And that doesn't taste good. Trust me. I'm gonna buy a de-shedding vacuum. I'm gonna buy a de-shedding vacuum or the blower. Like, look at this.
Spot into the connection, I was assuming that would.
That is less than probably 5 brushes right there.
Heat up.
Yeah. You.
There, so.
And that's exactly a full truckload. Exactly 1 full truckload.
Hey.
That is not bad. Gotta get some gravel over in the poop zone. Back there might be green onions. Keep them away from Proxy from eating them. Not too sure yet. But yeah, it's a pretty good size. Of course, a full yard doesn't fit on the truck because, you know, the bucket was wider than the truck. Or a lot, yeah, wider, so. It's not too bad. Proxy sleeping in the corner. Well, selling off the Polaris fat wheel bike. Was going to put a motor on it, gas engine, but decided I'm going to go a different route. So we're going to be selling off this and might pick up something different. I barely used it. But selling that guy off, and guy should be here any minute now. Well, as if I don't have enough unfinished projects, I'm just about to go on Kijiji, and I'm going to buy a mower deck and a snowblower. And I wonder what I'm going to do with it. Well, I guess when I get back, I'll kind of go over things and decide if it's going to be functionable. Yes, it's going to have a diesel engine on it. I'm sure you guys get the point. And look what the hoarder brought home. Yeah, I see a door. I'm stealing that from my house. Steel door. Look at that, eh? I called a door from my house.